Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Shopify Starter step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.shopify.com and press enter. Once the Shopify homepage loads, look for the green Start Free Trial button on the right side. Click on the Start Free Trial button. You will be directed to a sign up page. Here, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password for your account. Next, enter your store name in the designated area. After filling in the required information, click on the Create Your Store button. You will be taken to a setup wizard for your new store. Follow the prompts to answer questions about your business. Once completed, click Next. Now, input your business address in the next form. Make sure to fill in all required fields accurately. After entering the address, click on the Enter My Store button. You'll be redirected to your Shopify dashboard. Look for the option to select the Shopify Starter Plan. Click on it to view the details of the plan. Review the features and pricing carefully. When ready, click the Choose This Plan button. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required payment details accurately. Once done, click on the Submit button to confirm your subscription. Congratulations! Take a moment to explore your new store dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.